MP Barim Kashalong uba Vincent H. Pala ubaderu President jongka MPCC menta kasngi kahenriu terik unai tung hakajinga kendu bat kilat pathai kubor ula ong haka Saiñpyrthei om don Nongshun takaba ulapan kan mau bakom MP bala khatsan snem ubala dan Delhi ulong ubala Kloi ban Iarap yakajing jongki MP jongka jella padu ong ba men hakapor ba udan Delhi ula khat sngop hayu MP jongka Shillong sit u Dr. Ricky AJ Sengkan bat u MP jongka Raja Sabha u Dr. Khalukhi bat kumnu ban wanra ekajinga trelang ringkat u MP jongka Kongres Natura sit u Saleng Sangma ula ongru bah hakapor ba u MP ke Raja Sabha na Shillong u job usa bat u lai banai Delhi kata kadai kajinga dai kumshi para ula ongru banakaliang jong u ulong ubala Kloi ban Iarap habaki MP jong kajella ki Donkam.
Definitely, if that's why I said we have a system in place. We'll definitely the time will tell us. Like I said, politics is dynamic. What Saleng's winning, I think, has changed the politics in not only Garo Hills, not only Meghalaya. So there's a hope even in the northeast. So I've seen that day when we had a meeting. For example, being a MP for 15 years, I called the VPP MP, I called the Raja Sabha MP, and I called Saleng. We all had sat together. He said that I told them, but in a normal practice, for example, when Khalukhi won the election, Raja Sabha, he is from the NPP, I am from the Congress. He has no place to stay in Delhi. He stayed 3 months with me. That is a brotherhood. And I went to the VPP when he is in Delhi. I went there. I told, if you need any assistance, I'm here to help you. Because during the election is something, but when we work for the people of Meghalaya, for people of India, for people of Northeast, we should work together. So same thing, not only once, twice. I call all the MPs, 3 of them, and also when Arden was there, I'm very grateful when he was there. The moment he landed in Delhi, he called me. I went. We all had a dinner, almost 30-40 people from the Congress, VPP and NPP, other parties also. So we are here to work for the people, but we are here not to divide, we are here not to fight. I think we are for common cause.
About earlier you mentioned that.
You know, like I told, politics which was 10 years before, 5 years before, 5 months before, totally changed from time to time. And we as a party, if you see, be it in Meghalaya or be it anywhere, we never say no to anybody who wants to come. At the same time, we are in the party, you've seen 80% of the cabinets in the Conrad Sangma's governments come from the Congress. So I think Congress is like a platform. People can utilize the platform with their experience. Congress is like a mother party which give chance to everyone. But we have a system. For example, anybody can join our party. We'll not say this A, B, J, but certain category of the leaders, there's a procedure that the ICC has to take a call. So Baroni, I've seen a Baroni assessment is perfect because Baroni says that we welcome anybody, but there's a system in it. Saleng said that no, it's out. System has Saleng has it because there's system on it. So I think both are correct, but we have a system. The system will decide. It's not what I say, what not everybody has say. So this is what we have in place. For example, if anybody like who was chief minister or who was a MLA or who was a cabinet minister, if they join the party, there's a system in it. So the system will decide. We will not discriminate, we will not hesitate, we will definitely work, talk together. We are high heads, large-hearted. Congress is always for everyone, Congress is not for individual. This is it. Not only for Meghalaya in the northeast, Nepal, Bhutan and everywhere. That's why I'm saying last time when I had a meeting, this is one of the issues which we have taken here.
So is human trafficking a cause of
everywhere? Human trafficking, nobody knows, nobody talks, but it's happened. Today, I don't know how many of you, I'll request the press, especially on a Saturday or a Friday. You work in the police bazaar, you work in this area, there's a change 5 years before, 10 years before and now. And this all because of poverty, all because of unemployment, all because of the misrule, all because of the misuse of the power. Thank you. We will welcome. I took up the matter even in AICC also. I met our high command. I told them that in case if they come, so we welcome anybody supports our ideology. Salang was always in touch with them, but at the same time we respect their ideology, we respect their whatever decision they are taking. We have no control over them, but in case if we need them, if we request them, if they come, we welcome that. There's no issue on this.
How do you see the law and order in the state?
Law and order, I think before we had the underground such a problem, and today, like for example, even in near my village, 4 people have been killed. Why all this? I ask my people why. Mainly of the drugs, lots of drugs as issue. The corruption, the drugs has spoiled the state. It's not easy to repair. That's why the desperations in the people has come. So and this is the beginning. You see, this has happened all the time. When the Congress was in power, people said no, Congress is not good. We'll go to other. They got an alternative. They went, like in Delhi, they went, and later on they realized, oh, Congress is the best. Here also, when we were in power, definitely our ministers may be arrogant, our leaders must be arrogant. So they left us, and definitely people will see, will test. So I think it's a good opportunity for people to taste of different parties' experience, and definitely what we could see that we also try to see ourselves, try to position ourselves is good. That we lost sometimes, and definitely we re-energize. Now we reactivate ourselves, and with the experience of which we lost, I think we should also position ourselves in a better way. But definitely the law and order, the drugs, the flesh trade. I was having a meeting recently with some people. You know, many of our youth has been sent outside without their knowing. They changed their passports. They changed so many things which you have not seen. How people have been misused in the name of employment, in the name of so many things. So this is the government of the day. Definitely people are quite frustrated at this time.
Is it something
But
to
I'm
do
talking in general. I've seen at the district level, I've seen at the state level, I've seen even at the block level. Many of them before election we used to tell, come and help us. But now many of them said, no, I want to contest MDC, I want to contest MLA next, why don't you tell us? And that's why I said, before they said it's a sinking ship. But today, with the dynamics of politics, there's a change. Change not only in the party, change in the mindset of people overall in Meghalaya, and even in India. There's a scope, even in India. People look towards a Congress now as an alternative to the BJP. People look towards Congress and an honest party, experienced party. This is what I mean.
Is there any
What-
room for them?
Definitely there's a room for everyone, I have told you.
Well, in fact, VPP has